YouTube, what's up? We're gonna do Viagra Boys, Beijing Taxi. Probably, I would say this is probably the only lesson on YouTube on this song. So anyways, I can't sing it and play it at the same time. It's so funky. But it's a great song. It's about like an out-of-body experience. Right? It happens. Guy's hungover. He wakes up. He's thirsty. And he's hungry. And he makes a piece of toast. And he has an out-of-body experience. E, 7th fret, just a regular old power chord. Not a power chord, a bar chord. All major. All these chords are major. Now this one is F sharp, major. Down to D. That's the first little move. E. That's the E, F sharp to D. Then you do a big slide. This is G. This is A. That's the second part. To E flat. I'm sorry, A flat. So we're on D. That's the 10th fret. It's a G. 12th fret is A. 11th fret is A flat. So we go G, A flat. Then we go back to E. Sharp D, G, A flat. That's like the verse. Next part is okay. My neighbor's house had burned down. There were dead bodies all around. Toaster still remain. In this out-of-body experience, the only thing from reality is just the toaster. Everything else is from a different time and place. So the chorus is D. D starts on D. But the toaster. Okay, so pretty funky song. E, D, D, C, E. This is the chorus. Would you call me a Viagra Boys super fan? I wouldn't probably get mad at you if you did, but I'm just a person who listens to a lot of Viagra Boys music. Don't label me. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.